So good morning to everyone. So in the last class we have seen the third unit. So in the third unit we have seen the DIT and DIF and butterfly structures and FFT computation algorithm. So in this unit 4 we are going to see about the filters, digital filters, analog filters and digital filters. So in the first topic, what are the design filters, design methods for post Fourier series method, window technique method and frequency sampling method. What are the drawbacks of Fourier series methods? Means Gibbs phenomena. We are having the windowing method. FIR is equal to linear FIR and phase FIR and zero phase FIR. So linear phase FIR, H of n is equal to H of n minus 1 minus n. Phase delay is equal to n minus 1 divided by 2. Zero phase FIR means H of n is equal to H of minus n. Infinity is equal to 0 minus of n minus 1 divided by 2. So the procedure, select the frequency response ht of omega is equal to take the inverse Z Fourier transform ht of n 1 divided by 2 pi summation integration pi to minus pi ht of omega e power j omega n d omega. Select window sequence omega n. So h of n is equal to omega n dot ht of n. Take the Z transform low pass filters ht of omega is equal to e power j omega n. Low pass filters, high pass filters, ht of omega is equal to e power minus j omega infinitive. Band pass filter, ht of omega is equal to e power minus j omega n. Band stop filters, ht of n is equal to e power minus j omega n. Pi less than or is equal to omega minus omega c1 less than or is equal to omega less than or omega c1, omega c2 less than or omega less than or pi. So what is the windowing techniques? Rectangular window. So for the rectangular window, omega n is equal to 1, 0 less than or n less than or n minus 1, 0 otherwise 1 comma n minus 1 divided by 2, n less than or is equal to n minus 1 divided by 2. What is a triangular window or barlet window? Means omega n is equal to 1 minus 2 of n divided by n minus 1 minus n minus 1 divided by 2 less than or is equal to n less than or n minus 2 n minus 1 divided by n. Omega n is equal to 1 minus 2 of modulus of n minus n minus 1 divided by 2 divided by n minus 1. 0 less than or n less than or n minus 1 is 0 otherwise. Hamming window 0.54 plus 0.46 cos 2 pi n divided by n minus 1 minus n minus 1 divided by 2 n less than or is equal to n minus 1 divided by 2 cos 0.54 plus 46 cos 2 pi n divided by n minus 1 0 less than or n less than or n minus 1. Hamming window omega n is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 cos of 4 pi n divided by n minus 1 minus n minus 1 less than or is equal to n minus 1 divided by 2. So Blackman window 0.42 plus 0.5 cos of 2 pi n divided by n minus 1 plus 0.08 cos of 4 pi n divided by n minus 1 divided by 2 less than or equal to n less than or n minus 2. So Kaiser window, likewise we are having the problems like this. So in this fourth unit itself, the windowing techniques is more important. Okay, so design a filter ht of omega is equal to 1 pi minus pi divided by 4, 0 less than omega less than pi divided by 4. Given the data is called n is equal to 9, omega c is equal to 1.2 rads per second. Hence ht of j omega is equal to e power minus j omega infinitive 0 otherwise. So the time inverse Fourier transform 1 divided by 2 pi summation integral omega minus omega c2 plus omega c ht of omega e power minus j omega n. Ht of 1 is ht of omega c d e power minus j omega n. So likewise we have to integrate the first step and we have to multiply with the Hamming window in the second step and we have to plot the graph in third step and we have to find the Z transform at the fourth step. Okay, so likewise we are having the steps like this to find the analog filters values. Okay, so this is the example problems. So likewise the same step will be performed in all the problems, only the changes in rectangular windows function only the difference. Okay, so what type of windows given in the problems we have to multiply in that value and we have to plot the graph and finally we have to complete the steps. Okay, so what is the realization of FIR filters? Direct form, cascade form and linear phase modulation and polyphase modulation. So up to this we have completed the filtering techniques. So in the next class we have seen the realization of FIR filters. Thank you.